面からミサイルが発射されたものとみられます。
実際にJアラートとかも発動されて、なんか改めてその身近な危険なんだなっていうのをすごく感じました。
It is a sign that North Korea is taking off some of its gloves. They've been doing tests that either go around Japan or go up and down. And so they're clearly saying, we don't care anymore. We're making a statement here with this test. North Korea is pushing back against all this. So they're making a statement. They don't need to test this missile again. They're using it to send a signal to its neighbors and to the United States. I think this test that we just saw today is a prelude to further tests. That's part of what they're signaling.